Over here we've got indoor micro gardens. I'm just gonna walk close, but I'm just gonna show you some small ones that you need to see what they look like. It's very beautiful. I had to do a separate videos to what I was doing earlier on. This is what the micro gardens look like. You get it like in some kind of like a fish tank, and so like this is a fish tank. I can see some fish there, but this takes it to another level. What you see here is live plants. Some steam. We're just gonna try to get one without any steam on it. Okay, this is one without any steam in it. You can see the plants. But it's just a small item that you need to. I think this is one ideal good for an apartment. And truly speaking, this is the first time I've seen something like this. I did not know anything. This is my first time seeing a micro garden. I did not know that they existed before. So now we've seen one. So let's just take a look at the rest. So here we go, like ones with the fish tank and everything. The thing is with the fish tank, I don't like fish tanks. I've had a fish tank before, and the maintenance, that's a problem. We got another micro garden here. It's got some steam and everything. If you want to inquire about the prices, you can just ask me, then I'll have to come back and tell me exactly the time on what you are interested on, just like we got some of the videos as well. So this is another shop. Like the area is big, away from the micro gardens. Actually, this whole thing will cost you a good 5,900, which is more or less about I can say $800 or less. And this one will take you about 28,000. How much is that? 7 by 14, 21. Just over $3,000. Just over $3,000. Like everything really in China, wherever you go, you just need the whole day. But today I had some time. If you watch some of the videos about areas like this, I've been doing a few videos in here. So you can check the rest of the videos. And I cycled to come down here just like on a day out, really. The fish area. So here there's some fish, different it's a fish pond, but I don't like fish tanks. That's what I can say. I don't like fish tanks because the reason with fish is like the maintenance which comes with it.